All right. Hi, I'm Shane. I'm from Open Robotics, and I'd like to talk to you about Python 3 and ROS1, specifically in ROS Noetic, which will be released in May 2020, so it's coming up. And why Python 3? Why not Python 2? And the answer is, well, Python 2 is reaching end of life. Specifically, Python Software Foundation is dropping support end of this year. You've got even less time than that. ROS1 is going to drop support as well, at least for, not for melodic, but for noetic, the next release. So what's the goal here? That means that Python packages, the Debian packages depended on Python 2 before. Oh, yeah. Where they depended on Python 2 before, they're going to depend on Python 3. And so how do we do this? Well, there's a guide. So if you use Python 3 and ROS1, there's a guide on the ROS wiki that'll cover way more information than I'm going to cover here. Specifically, you want to call out, when you're starting to port to Python 3, start with your packages as soon as you can. And that means when your dependencies are ready. More on that in the next slide. For the short term, just expect to build everything from source. We want to have the ROS build farm available. We hope to have it soon, November-ish for thinking, but it's blocked by the Ubuntu Focal packages. So for now, everything from source. And then an important thing I want to call out right away is the first choice you have to make is whether you're going to support melodic and noetic on the same branch. So if you use Python and say you release packages publicly, you kind of have to make that choice. If you do it on the same branch, you get an advantage. You get to test in melodic. You get to test with other packages that depend on your stuff. But there's a risk there that you'll